Hi and welcome to TechRadar. I'm Tom Bedford here with a video on the Honor Band 6. After launching in November in China, the Honor Band 6 just got a global launch at the CES 2021 annual tech show. CES was a digital tech show this year, so we haven't had a chance to test out the Honor Band 6 yet, but before then, here's what you need to know. In terms of price, we've been told the Band 6 will cost $35 which converts to about £25 sterling or 45 Australian dollars, though in each region the prices might be a little bit different. The Honor Band 6 consists of two long, thin replaceable straps and a small body with a display on it. The screen is 1.47 inches diagonally, and overall the Honor Band 6 looks a lot like the Honor Watch ES smartwatch from August 2020. The Honor Band 6 comes with 10 different fitness tracking modes, including walking, running, cycling and a few others. Sure, that's not the 100 plus we've seen in other Honor wearables, but that's the price you pay for, well, not paying much for price. There's also heart rate monitoring, step counting, sleep tracking, activity rings, weather reports, music controls, and it's held to time too, of course. Honor says the Band 6 has a 14-day battery life, and that's definitely something we'll be testing out for our full review. We haven't been told a Band 6 release date just yet, but it will probably be pretty soon. Overall, the Honor Band 6 seems designed for people that want a low-cost way of keeping tabs on their health and fitness without needing all the bells and whistles a premium wearable might bring. Look out for our full Honor Band 6 review when we fully tested the thing so you know if it's worth your money or not. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about the Honor Band 6? Let us know in the comments below. TechRadar is covering everything coming out of CES 2021, from phones to laptops and TVs to robots, so if you want to see more, subscribe to our YouTube or head over to techradar.com.